Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is June 13, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up by about 10 points today. They are sitting right around 28.90 and a quarter per contract. All in all, you can see the futures right around 9:30, 10 o'clock last night. Put in a little bit of a low, and they've been rallying up ever since. So we'll see what today gives us. Last couple of days, we've had a little bit of a market pullback, but the volume has been very, very light. We've had anemic volume out here. Yesterday was one of the lightest trading days of 2019. All right, let's get started here with stocks in the news. First one I'm going to start off with is Lululemon, the apparel maker, athletic apparel maker. This stock is trading at $180.25. It closed yesterday at $170.89. So this is a great pop for Lululemon after earnings. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it here, I really wouldn't be chasing it up here at the moment. Let's watch for an intraday pattern. We'll see what we get, but the trend is up, and that's the bottom line. Lululemon showing very, very good strength, at least initially this morning. But again, if you don't own it, leave it alone for now. We'll look at it in the intraday stock chat room in a little while. Next up, we want to take a look at RH. RH is trading sharply higher. Stock is trading at $117.80. This closed at $94.89. Now, this is a stock that doesn't often trade a million shares. That's why you get these big, exaggerated type moves in RH. The only thing I'm looking at for RH right now is very good resistance around the 120, 121 level. You can see that's kind of where we've stalled out so far. After that, though, this can go higher. So just be aware of that. But you're into a lot of resistance already for RH this morning. If you own it, trail that stop loss immediately. If you don't own it, I'd kind of stay clear of it. We'll look at it again once the opening bell rings. Next up, we want to take a look at Red Robin Gourmet Burger. RRGB is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $31.58. Closed yesterday at $25.46. Now, this stock is up on some news that Vintage Capital is taking an 11.6% active stake in the company. So, again, got a little an activist investor there, and the market likes it. The stock is trading higher. Again, if this stock gets to around $35, there's very, very good resistance there. So keep that on the radar today. We'll see how it plays out. Red Robin is also another stock that rarely trades a million shares. On average, probably trades around 225 to 400,000 shares a day. So again, these things can overshoot more than most people believe. Let's take a look at Uber and LYFT. Both of these stocks got upgrades today. Uber trading at $42.88. Not a whole lot that I would do with it now, but when I look at the chart here, I have to think if you get up to around the $45 area, there's a lot of resistance coming into play. LYFT, LYFT getting an upgrade as well. That stock's trading at $59.30. Not a bad little move from the lows that were made in the month of May. So if you see this one today, gets to around $61, you should hit very good intraday resistance. Let's move over now to Lennar. That was also upgraded today, LEN. Stock is trading at $53.48. Closed at $52.09. So good pop there for Lennar. Around $54.50 to $55. Huge resistance. I don't expect it to go much higher. We also have news today. Tyson Foods, TSN, is introducing a plant-based burger. And that stock right now trading at $83.58. Briefly traded above $85.50. The stock yesterday closed at $81.89. So you still got a decent little uptick here. And we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Now, on the flip side, you got Beyond Meat. BYND is the ticker symbol there. That's come under a little bit of pressure. That closed at $141.97. Now trading at $136.76. So, again, Beyond Meat coming under some pressure after news that Tyson Foods is coming out with a plant-based burger. I think this is probably the third or fourth big company that has now introduced plant-based meat. So, again, we'll see how it plays out here. We'll see what we get. I'm not so sure what we're going to do here with Beyond Meat. We'll look at it, though, when the opening bell rings. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is trading up a point to $1337.70 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see that's trading at $125.95. GLD is a good ETF to track the movement in spot gold. Next up, we have crude oil on the move today. Crude oil up $1.58 to $52.73 a barrel. Now, there was an incident, I believe, out in the Gulf regarding a couple of tankers. So you just want to be aware of that. Crude oil is very much in play with geopolitical events and lots of things that can go on there. So there was an attack, at least being reported that there were 2 tankers, oil tankers, that were attacked. That caused a spike in crude. Here's the chart of the USO. You can see that started to fade a little bit. Nonetheless, USO closed at 1064. This closed at 1099. So we'll see where it plays out. Oil has been under severe, and I do mean severe, selling pressure recently. Again, it's very, very close to breaking lower, but nonetheless, geopolitical event keeping oil prices up today. So we'll see where it goes a little bit later. We'll look at the charts. We'll see what we get. Once again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We'd love to have you in there. You could trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we'll see you a little bit later on the charts.